is a real painful hit to the asking price because private collectors mostly really dislike this. So for this particular book, The Small Faults, I would put it around $7,500.
Why would it go down in value so much being an ex-library copy?
You can see libraries tend to put stamps and things. They tend to leave markings, and the markings often are very obvious. To have one is more than enough, but this has 3, so this particular library was a little stamp happy, unfortunately. And collectors are all about pristine condition. They want it to look exactly the way it did when it first published.
Because it's unreadable.
Yeah. Ex-library is a little bit like a, choose a literary reference, like Scarlet Letter, you know?
Thanks for coming in, though. You're the best.
Right, Bill.